song. I'm gonna call you up in a little bit though. Hang tight for just a little bit. We appreciate y'all staying with us. I'm glad we got rid of all those other people. I'm glad we're down to the hardcores. We're down to the hardcores, yeah. I appreciate that. I appreciate you. I'm a hardcore myself. I got 2 speeds, off and wide open. That's right. Yeah. Now, check it out. I may look like I got it all together up here. I got a great band, funky. I'm beautiful. I'm very beautiful. I'm talented. Thank you. Thank you very much. But let me tell you what, it's no bed of rose-colored glasses, my friend. I'm hanging by the skin of my teeth, my friend. And you know, man, because I'm tired all the time. I'm tired. Not because of the touring. Not the relentless touring all over the world, playing on Grammy Award-winning records. Nothing like that, man. That's everyday stuff for me. I'm tired because my phone and my computer are blowing up with booty calls. Booty calls, ladies and gentlemen. Nothing but booty calls. I get them from men and from women. That's right. I get them from transgender. It doesn't matter to me and it don't matter to them. They're coming after me, man. They're coming after me on Facebook Messenger, Instagram, Yahoo, Gmail, Facebook. It don't matter, man. My phone is blowing up with nothing but booty calls, so I turn it all off. I turned it all off.
Grinder, man. Grinder.
What's that?
Grinder.
I don't even have that. I gotta get that. I'm gonna get that and then turn it off. That's what I'm gonna do. But check it out, man. You know, man, I was driving here and we were driving through upstate New York. You know, we were driving through upstate and we got into a wooded area. And the boys were all sleeping. The boys were sleeping and I was driving and it was late at night. Where was it? Canada? Canada? I'm not allowed in Canada. Yeah, I got a felony offense, baby. I got 3 of them. I got 3. Yeah. Anyway, we were driving, man, and it was late at night, and I was enjoying the peace because the phone was off, and I wasn't getting any booty calls, and I was loving it, man. And then all of a sudden, come walking across the road was a Bigfoot, a Sasquatch. Yeah, that's right, a Yeti, if you're nasty. A Yeti. Yeah, if you're nasty. And this is what happened, man. It took 2 steps and it stopped in the middle road and it looked right at me just like this. Are you ready? It looked at me just like this. And I'd be lying if I said there wasn't something there, man. There was something there. It had amber eyes that glowed like starlight. That glowed like starlight against the night. And it was big and muscular and covered in the most beautiful auburn brown hair you've ever seen in your life, long and smooth and well groomed. And I've been, you know, I'm into some weird shit, man, but I never thought that me and a Bigfoot would have that kind of a connection, you know what I mean? But it was there. It was there, baby. It was there. So anyway, I knew it was an impossibility. My wife was asleep in the back. I said, you know what? I gotta go. And just at that time, the Bigfoot slipped into the woods, never to be seen again, you know. So we got to the hotel. Terra Blues put us up in the most beautiful hotel. It's the most beautiful. We got to look out all over the city. You wouldn't believe it. We got suites. Each one of us got our own private suite. Isn't that right, JJ? Yeah, man. It's nice. It's nice. And we're up in there and I'm chilling and all of a sudden the phone rings. The phone rings. And I pick it up and I hear... Yeah, so apparently you heard it too. You might not know this about me, but apparently I speak Bigfoot telepathy. And the Bigfoot had something nasty to say to me. Now, I don't know if it was a he or a she, but once you go full Bigfoot, gender is irrelevant, okay? Gender's irrelevant once you go full Sasquatch. So anyway, she got down real low and she said to me in Bigfoot, but I'll translate it to you. It's kind of nasty. She said, "What kind of cake you like?" She said, "Baby, what kind of cake you like?" I said, "It don't matter, Bigfoot, 'cause I'm gonna bake it right till the moment reaches tonight. You tell me what kind of cake you like, Johnny, baby." check it out. I wasn't always the internationally ignored superstar you see barely standing before you today. At one time, I actually had a promising career. That's right. As a matter of fact, just in 2015, I played with Johnny Winter on his Grammy Award-winning records. And today, we paid our respects and went to Johnny Winter's grave. Today we did it. Yeah, it's in Connecticut. It felt good. The same year, I played at the Rock and Roll Hall of Fame to induct the great Paul Butterfield in front of 12.5 million viewers on HBO. Thank you, sir. Thank you. Thank you so much. And as soon as I got done playing the Rock and Roll Hall of Fame, like as soon as I got done my song, my song, I played with Zach Brown and Tom Morello and the Paul Schaefer Orchestra. As soon as I got done, Paul Schaefer said, "Jason, I got to talk to you." And I knew I was in trouble. He took me into a back room and he said, "Listen, man, we knew you were going to be good, but we had no idea you were going to be that good." He said, "As a matter of fact, all the other bands, Green Day, Stevie Wonder, Bill Withers, and Ringo Starr, they don't want to go on after you. They don't want to play after you, man. They're scared. They're scared." I said, "Paul Schaefer, I was afraid that might happen. I was afraid that might happen." That's what I told him. That's when I wrote this next line. It goes like this. Are you ready? Are you ready? Ready. New York City, I'm the headline act. Right. Baby, I'm your headline act. Baby, that's a natural fact. You're gonna have to deal with that. Honey, I'm the headline act. Ladies and gentlemen, it's Shimmy on the Harp. Come on. Shimmy on the Harp, man.